get you to do the wave or something. This is awesome being up here. So I'm Jenny Hogan. I'm the Chief Media Officer at Tagboard, and so honored. Thank you so much, Sprocket, for having our team here today. A quick little background. I was a TV journalist for 14 years and doing the traffic every morning in Seattle. I watched my news director get pitched all this technology. And then by the time it came to me to implement it and my team members, we had to do 3-day classes and learn all about this. And then I just do the touch point of what he was pitched, and he kept coming to me saying, why aren't you doing all of this other stuff? And I was just like, it's so hard. I'm live. I have to get everything going. So I ended up leaving my TV career on a mission to create technology that's easy, safe, and quick. And that's exactly what we do at Tagboard. We create this technology for media companies, for sports teams, for brands that's easy, safe, and quick. So what does our technology do? Well, there's a bunch of user-generated content out there, and it's fabulous. It's on social media. We bring together that user-generated content. We allow you to put a spotlight on the best content and then put it to live display. Whether it's our partner that we just announced today, Gannett Broadcasting, thank you so much for believing in us. We are now their enterprise client for social media. Or if it's in sports, the NCAA. If you went to a game, you would have seen the social displays up on the screen. That was Tagboard. Alaska, if you flew here, hashtag #IFlyAlaska, Tagboard powers that hashtag for them. And I'm clicking through this too fast. So what I'm here today to tell you about is how to lead social TV. Well, first, what is social TV? Social TV is all about being social, right? Your viewers are out there. They're your teammates. You're not just telling them content. They can help impact the story, guide where it's going, let you know now through social media what they really care about in real time. And we've found a formula for success with our clients. That's these 3 things that I'm going to go over in the next 5 minutes. 1, your mission. We team up with clients and we make them commit that they want to do social TV to increase content, increase engagement, and increase loyalty. We don't want them doing social TV just to get a tweet on air. We want them to commit to doing these 3 things. Once they do that, we tell them, we're going to commit. Our mission. We're going to help you do this. Easy, safe, and quick. Then together, we commit that we are going to have a success program together. We're going to educate each other. We're going to create content that is the best content for our viewers together. And then we're going to innovate together. And that's how we help each other lead social TV. So let's talk about those steps. What you're committing is your mission. The first is to increase content. There's so much content out there. Let's use this example here. When the building collapsed in New York, hashtag building collapse. ABC7 and Fox New York both utilized Tagboard. There was so much content going on from the scene. Within 10 seconds, they had visuals of that collapse. It took 20 minutes for their crews to get there. They beat every other news station, the 2 of them there. Then they also mirrored what they were showing on air on their website. So when the web team were getting content, the talent had that exact same content on air on a touchscreen. A viewer had that exact same content if they were watching on their mobile phone and following along on that hashtag. Increase engagement is the next commitment. Your viewers are your teammates. They're your brand ambassadors. We want them to talk to their friends and tell them how much they love you and you're adding to their life with this amazing content. So for example, Vegas, CBS Vegas is a wonderful client of ours here. For New Year's Eve, they did a 2-hour live show and they ran lower thirds of social media posts going through that live show. What they did on that day, you can see the graph in the middle there, how it peaks up. Within 2 minutes, they had so many people interacting with them. And by interacting, they're using the hashtag. They're telling all their friends that they're watching this show. They trended #1 in Las Vegas. 20 minutes into the show, they trended #1 worldwide with 16,000 tweets to that show. #1 worldwide, above CNN, a national show. Above other New Year's Eve hashtag itself. New Year's Eve was second to Las Vegas on New Year's Eve, #1 worldwide. So with that is also increased ratings. We see from the year before when they didn't use us to that broadcast when they had 16,000 tweets telling all of their community they're watching that they had more people tuning in. The third commitment is we want you to commit to increasing loyalty to your viewers. So Fox 29 Weekend launched their interactive show, and that means they wanted to hear from their viewers. They listen to them. They put a spotlight on their viewers. They are their viewers' friends, and they are there in their viewers' time of need. And so their show trended within 4 minutes nationally in Philadelphia when they launched their first show. Every week, they're seeing an increase in ratings. And you can see on the screen a tweet from a community member, a viewer. She's a mother, but she happens to be the most popular mother on social media in Philadelphia with 24,000 followers. And that one tweet led to a bunch of other conversations around their show and that they're watching. So our mission is that this is easy. Producers and talent are so busy. It needs to be as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, search, produce. #2 is you produce. #3 is you display. The second is it has to be safe. No surprises on air or your bosses are never going to let you do social TV again. So we have that middle section where you approve everything that goes on air. We also offer technology to help you. We have a profanity filter, but you always have to have that human filter to check things. Then we're quick. You can get a post from your viewer on air within 10 seconds. The BBC used us for the independence vote, and they got the Prime Minister's tweet on within 10 seconds of him posting it, beating everyone else out worldwide with the announcement. Our success program is all about educating you. We have webinars monthly. One of the webinars guests was Fred Graver from Twitter. He's the creative lead for Twitter. We have our social TV leading talents join us, telling about us how they've utilized social TV in the last month, and we all learn together. We create together. Our goal is that you use social TV more every month, and every single client of ours has increased impressions that they've added social posts to their newscast every month since they've started with us. We innovate together. Today we announced a Hootsuite partnership. That was built from Gannett. They use Hootsuite for their social TV management tool. They wanted something easy for producers to get on air. So now in the Hootsuite dashboard, you can simply send a post to Tagboard. With one click, it gets on air within 10 seconds. We're also partners with Twitter and Facebook, and we constantly innovate and keep our clients ahead of the curve. Knowing things that are happening this summer, we're building for them. Things we can't talk about, we have NDAs. We're making sure our clients are going to be prepared for that. So let's lead social TV together. Commit to your mission. We're committed to our mission. And then together we're going to have a success program. You'll see amazing results. You'll save time. You'll be able to get more content with less staff. 10 times increase in engagement when you utilize Tagboard. Live streams have increased by 40% when you add a Tagboard and people are talking about it. And there's also new revenue opportunities. So let's chat. We have our great team here. She's periscoping. This is Brianna, one of our client success managers. She's been a producer in social TV and social TV talent with shows that have trended worldwide. Josh Decker, our CEO, launched the company. Thank you so much for having us all on here. An amazing visionary when it comes to communities and hashtags. We have Tommy over there, great in the sporting world. And then we have Brielle, event mastermind as well. So come talk to us. Our booth's right there. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. I am from Australia, by the way. That's the accent, just so you know.
Yeah, let's